Welcome back to the channel, everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to download, install, and set up the MHR Tunnel VIP VPN app, which is available on the Google Play Store. This app can help you maintain a stable and private connection when browsing online. Before we begin, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. And leave a comment below if you have any questions so you don't miss any of my future tech tutorials. Step 1. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type MHR Tunnel VIP VPN. You'll see several results. Make sure to select the correct one with the MHR Tunnel VIP VPN icon shown on the screen. Once you find it, tap on it, then press Install to download it to your device. After the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app. Before we continue, remember, on this channel, we always share helpful tutorials and tech apps that improve your online experience safely. Step 2. Once you open the app, you'll see the home screen of MHR Tunnel VIP VPN. To make sure it's working properly, tap the menu icon 3 lines at the top. From the options, select Config Update. This step will update the app's resources so that you always have the latest configuration for a smoother connection. Step 3. Next, you'll need to select a server. Tap on the server selection box, and from the list, choose the one that gives you a stable connection in your country. For most users, it's best to leave it on Auto Select, which automatically picks the best available server for your location. Step 4. Now tap on the network name box and look for your country in the list. For this tutorial, I'll select Morocco, but you should choose your own country's network name for the best results. Step 5. If your VPN session ever runs out of time, you can extend it by tapping the Add Time button. This will allow you to continue using the app without interruptions. Step 6. After selecting your server and network, tap on the Start button to connect. Wait a few seconds, and once the status changes to connected, you're ready to browse safely. And that's it. That's how you can easily set up and use MHR Tunnel VIP VPN to enjoy a private and secure connection on your Android device. Thanks for watching today's tutorial. See you in the next one.